Savor a relaxing resort lifestyle in a magical and private 5.5-acre Stafford Estate. It's perfectly positioned for majestic Mount Hood views with convenient proximity to freeways and downtown Portland. From the welcoming circular driveway to the diverse park-like landscaping and outdoor spaces, it's your own private sanctuary. Discover incredible woodwork throughout, a spacious, inviting living room with abundant natural light, a cozy gas fireplace, and bay windows. The expansive great room is ready for entertaining gatherings of all sizes with a wet bar, a floor-to-ceiling wood-burning fireplace, and Mount Hood views. The spacious gourmet kitchen features granite counters, stainless steel appliances, tons of storage space, double ovens, an antique wood-fired oven, and a 5-burner cooktop island. Elegant architecture frames the formal dining room, where entertaining takes center stage. Relax and unwind in the primary suite with a romantic fireplace and tranquil views. The primary bath features separate vanities, a jetted tub, 2-head shower, and a large walk-in closet. You'll find 2 more large bedrooms in this one-level home, light-filled spaces with pastoral views at every turn. A wine cellar with a custom painted floor and mural is ready for your favorite vintages. The expansive patio and gorgeous backyard also have a claim to fame. It's where Bruce Springsteen had a wedding reception in 1985. The landscaping features various settings and habitats, highlighting the area's natural beauty. A 2-level ADU offers an expansive, flexible space ready to fit your lifestyle. It's perfect for in-laws or for your hobbies, perhaps as an art or music studio. Ready for your creative projects, or just unwinding by the gas fireplace. On the upper level, you'll find a well-designed living space with a bedroom, full bath, and kitchen. Or take in the fresh air and views from the large upper deck. The landscape includes a certified wildlife habitat with multiple gardens, friendly wildlife, tranquil water features, and more than 10 outdoor seating areas. This curated farm with 31 fruit trees and 19 fruit bushes provides a serene escape and plenty of room for all of your outdoor pursuits. Make memories by the large outdoor fire ring while surrounded by the beauty of nature. An enchanting Stafford Estate, positioned to capture the ever-changing Mount Hood views. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.